Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Sennheiser Momentum Sport. Now you can pick these up online. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on these, $330. All right, so let's go through the specs real quick. Now these come in 3 different colors. You got black, olive, and graphite. These are Bluetooth version 5.2, and the codecs is SBC, AAC, and aptX adaptive. Now the earbuds are IPX5, sweat and water resistant, and the case is IPX4, sweat and water resistant. Now you got 10mm drivers, that's going to give you that signature Sennheiser sound. You got active noise cancellation, transparency mode, and wind reduction mode. You got 3 mics in each earbud, that's going to give you crystal clear phone calls. You got fully customizable touch controls. The battery life is 6 hours on a single charge for a total of 24 hours using the charging case. Now, it takes about 90 minutes to fully charge these up, and the case does feature Qi wireless charging. Now, you got an app that's available for Android and iOS that lets you customize all your settings and change your EQ. Now, these come with a bunch of different wing tips, so that's going to give you a secure fit. And the signature feature of these earbuds, you got a built-in heart rate monitor and a body temperature monitor. All right, so all of that for $330. Let's see what it is. First things first, shout out to White Shoes, back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes.
White shoes?
I love my white.
Calm down. Okay, now this is going to be different from my usual review. I'm going to keep this one quick because I've already been using these for a couple of days, and these are sports earbuds, so I wanted to take them to the gym for a couple of workouts, and I did that. So I'm ready to give y'all my results. Let me start by saying this. These are definitely my new favorite gym earbuds. Finally, we got a set to dethrone the Power Beats Pro. The Beats Fit Pro, actually, not the Power Beats, the Beats Fit Pro. These have been my favorite for a long time because of the fit. The Sennheisers actually fit better, sound better, and have better active noise cancellation. Now, here's a quick look at the earbuds. Very small, okay, very discreet. And like I said, it comes with the wing tips. Okay, now it comes with these custom ear tips. You can't use the Comply foam tips. You're going to have to use these if you want to use the body temperature tracker. Now, inside of the box, like I said, you do got some different size ear tips and different size wings. Of course, you got your usual books and shit and your charging cable. Now, like I said, I'm going to keep this quick. There's 3 things about these earbuds that I don't like. Number 1, the price. $330, that's a little TGH. Now, these earbuds, they should cost around $200 to $250 at max. And I'm going to tell you why. The second thing that I don't like, the signature features. Now, you got the heart rate monitor, okay, and you got the body temperature monitor. Now, in this day and age, if you're really serious about working out, pretty much everybody's going to be wearing an Apple Watch or Galaxy Watch or OnePlus Watch or Garmin, okay, or Fitbit, any kind of sports tracker. So I think those 2 features are kind of gimmicky. They're kind of gimmicky because you're going to check your heart rate from your watch, and the body temperature, unless you're really running marathons or, you know, you're a sickly person and you're always getting sick and you always got to keep track of your body temperature, nobody's really going to be checking their body temperature in the gym. You know, it's a little gimmicky after testing these. And let me tell you the third thing that I don't like about these, and this is the biggest thing, and this is not a knock on Sennheiser. The biggest thing that I don't like about these is these exist, okay, the Momentum 4s. These are $300. Now, granted, I will say this. You're buying these for sports earbuds, so these do fit better than the Momentum 4s. Okay, you're going to get a better fit. Not to mention, if you don't like big earbuds, look at the difference in the size. Okay, Shoes is trolling me. These are a little bit smaller. Now, in my personal testing, I did have a better fit. Shoes trying to take my earbuds. All right, what are you doing, Shoes? I did have a better fit. But let me tell you why. I think that the Sennheiser Momentum 4s are better. First of all, these are Bluetooth 5.4, so you're getting better connectivity. Secondly, now I did some thorough testing, and I mean thorough. All right, last night I was going crazy with the testing. The Momentum 4s, they sound better. The volume is louder. The music, okay, the music sounds better. It's more bright. It's more vibrant. And the bass the bass hits harder on the Momentum 4s. They're booming. Now, shout out to Sennheiser. They done set the bar so high with these that everything else I find like I'm comparing to my Momentum 4s. All right, these are the truth. Not to mention, now I did some more testing. These have better active noise cancellation, better transparency mode, better wind reduction mode. And another thing, these have better audio resolution. And let me show you what I'm talking about. Let me go ahead and pull up my app real quick. Hold up. All right, check this out. Now I got the Momentum 4s and the Momentum Sports paired up to two different phones. If you go to audio resolution on the Momentum 4s, you see you got low latency mode, so you can use these for gaming. You got high resolution, aptX, and you also got lossless. Now with the Momentum Sports, you only got standard and high resolution. So you do have aptX, but no lossless and no low latency mode. All right, so now let's talk about the Momentum Sports. First of all, in terms of sound quality, if I would rate these a 10, I would rate these an 8. Okay, the Momentum 4s, they sound better. They have better active noise cancellation and better transparency mode. However, these sound great. Like I said, I'm spoiled with these, but these sound great, and they definitely sound better than the Beats Fit Pro. They sound better than the Beats Fit Pro. They fit better. Okay, I actually like these wings a little bit better. You got the customizable EQ and better noise cancellation. So when you're in the gym and you want to block out that Britney Spears in the background, the Momentums actually work better. As far as the charging case, I do like it better than the 4s. Okay, it's a lot thinner, a lot more sporty. You can add your carabiner to it. The case does have some water resistance. There's your USB Type-C charging slot. And when you drop your buds in, you got excellent strength on the magnets. Okay, so these are not going to pop out. And the case does have wireless charge. Now, in terms of the sound quality, like I said, I love it. I love it. But it's just for $330, you're better off getting these, okay? Unless you're really serious about working out and you really want that secure fit. Keep in mind, these do come with wings also. But let me show you one more thing. Here's the app. I'm going to keep this review quick. Here's the app. Okay, now, of course, you got your heart rate sensor and your body temperature. Now, I'm going to go ahead and put these on. And remember, you got to use the included ear tips, whatever size you want, if you want to get that feature. Okay, so let's go ahead and connect these. And I'm going to show you, okay, in a second, you're going to see my heart rate and my body temperature pop up. Okay, now, okay, there's my body temperature. It's reading my heart rate. That's cat hairs on my phone. Okay, let's wait for the heart rate to kick in. In the meantime, let's look through the rest of the app. Of course, you got your preset EQs. Okay, I got my workout EQ with bass boost. This is why I'm saying that these sound better than the Beats EQ. All right, customizable EQ. Let's go ahead and turn on. Okay, now, you see, there's my heart rate and my body temperature. And it's actually pretty accurate. Let me go ahead and pull out my Apple Watch real quick. Hold up. All right, so here's my heart rate on the Apple Watch. And here it is with the earbuds. Very accurate. And you got your body temperature. Now, like I said, if you run marathons, that's something to keep in mind. And if you're getting sick all the time and you wake up in the morning and you want to see if you got a fever or not, you could just drop these in. So that's a nice little feature right there. You got your sound check. Okay, basically the app is just like the app for the Momentum 4s. You got different sound zones. Okay, so I got one set up for 105 AV. This way, as soon as I get to 105 AV, it automatically puts it into active noise cancellation and switches my EQ. You can customize your touch controls. You got your fit test. Okay, so the app is pretty much simple and straightforward. And you can also use the Polar app in conjunction with these earbuds to use your body temperature and your heart rate monitor tracking. But like I said, I just feel like it's a little bit gimmicky because we're all going to be wearing a smartwatch in the gym or a fitness tracker. So, overall, now let me go ahead and take these out. Overall, would I recommend buying these? If you had the Beats Fit Pros, if y'all took my recommendation for the Beats Fit Pros and you love the way these fit, okay, You're going to love these. These fit exactly the same, if not better. But they sound better. You got better active noise cancellation, better transparency mode. As far as the core quality, again, I like the core quality better on the Momentum 4s. This brings me to my biggest gripe, the price. Now, I think the price on these should be $250. I don't know how these cost more than these. I don't know how that works. All right. Shout out to Sennheiser. If y'all watch this video, y'all need to adjust the price. These can't be more than these. It can't be. Okay. Just for the body temperature and the heart rate, it doesn't make sense. And these actually sound better. But this is, like I said, this is a nod to Sennheiser. They got me spoiled with the Momentum 4s. The sound quality on these last night when I was doing my thorough testing. Matter of fact, let me see. I think I got a picture of y'all. I want to show y'all how thorough I was doing with this testing. Let me go to my messages real quick. Look at this. This is the picture. Now, when I'm really going deep, all right, y'all know I got glaucoma, so I have my medical marijuana on deck. But I was doing some thorough testing side by side with 1,000 different songs, 1,000 different tests. Okay, I have my air conditioner on, testing out the active noise cancellation, and I had the hockey game on at max volume. One thing I will say about both of these earbuds, the noise cancellation. Now with the Momentum 4s, with the air conditioner on and the hockey game and my music playing, I couldn't hear nothing but the music. Same thing with these, okay, but I can hear a little bit of the AC in the background. The noise cancellation is definitely better on the 4s. All right, so overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm going to give these a double major go. Now, if the price was $200, these would be a triple major go easily. But for $330, you know, that's a big ask. All right, that's not a big ass, a big ask. That's a big ask. Unless you're really, really serious about working out and you're really serious about keeping your core temperature. I keep it like I know. Like I said, I know a few marathon runners, and they always tell me about the core temperature is really important. Not me. Just for my casual workouts in the gym, I've never checked my core temperature, and I don't care about it. Even the heart rate monitor, I use that very sparingly. And I'm going to use it on the watch. I'm not going to open up an app. Now, you can pair these with the Polar app, okay, and then connect it to your smartwatch and all that. But if you're already wearing the smartwatch, it kind of defeats the purpose. But just as the earbuds themselves, overall, the quality, the sound quality, excellent. The fit, excellent. Battery life, wireless charge, little IP water resistance. Yeah, these are dope. These are dope, just a little overpriced. Anyway, now, of course, okay, now I did all my other testing. You can use either earbud independently. Okay, the reconnection time is about 3 Mississippis. The Bluetooth test, I walked all the way to 30 feet. No drop connection at all. No latency issues when you're watching your videos. But, again, gaming mode. Okay, so if you want to be gaming, these are just an all-around better buy for less money. All right, that's the easiest way to sum up this video. All-around better buy for less money, unless these are too big for you. Now, I read all of the comments on my videos. Some people said the Sennheiser Momentum 4s, they're just a little too big for their ears. Okay, some people said they got them for the gym, and they didn't really like the way they fit in the gym, even though, like I said, they do. Matter of fact, I got my black ones right here. They do come with the wings, but some people said they didn't like the fit in the gym. If you're one of those people, you are going to love the fit of these, okay? The fit is amazing. I would buy these just for the fit alone. And like I said, I finally retired my Beats Fit Pros. Now, I did mention the Power Beats Pros. Those are for people that's doing acrobatics in the gym. If you're doing some kind of yoga poses and all of that, you're going to want earbuds that wrap around your ears. But they don't have active noise cancellation. These were the best from Beats up to date, as of right now. But these have officially been dethroned. And these are going to be my new gym earbuds. Anyway, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. And let me know if y'all like this kind of format better when I just actually talk about the product. Or do y'all want to see my regular in-depth review from top to bottom when we test everything out? Like I said, I wanted to just keep this one quick. And that's the last time I'm going to say like I said. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. All right, so one more thing I wanted to mention. Now, I don't know if I said this earlier or not, but I'll say it one more time. I did a full workout in the gym. Incline bench, decline bench. I did some Latimus Dorsey for the back. I did the bent over rows. All of my intensive exercises that would usually make my earbuds pop out. And these did not move at all. So again, the fit, exactly like the Beats Fit Pro, even better in my opinion. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know. Stream gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat toys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. Hashtag salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me, bro. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock wanted to beam up. Energize.
Hey guys, Jerry Springer here. Subscribe to Flossy Carter for the real reviews. He has a tech channel on YouTube, and he already has over 2 million subscribers, so give him a look. You may like it, and it could be very useful. Take care of yourself and each other.